Good morning. It's that time of year again when we start collecting seeds. These are my cosmos flowers. I wanted to show you. They're gorgeous. I started them from seed. You can see they're very tall, lacy, very easy to grow. I just direct sowed them right in the garden. Every year I save the seeds from them. And I was going to collect some seeds and I thought I'd show you how. So let me just get down here. Now you can see, after the flower is spent, I don't do it the day that the flower dies. I wait a few days after, like this one. Let me back it up. This one right here will be perfect. So I'm going to pull this off, and then I'll turn the video back on and show you what's inside. Okay, so this is what I do. I bring the seeds in on a paper plate. Here's what I collected. As you can see, you open it up, and inside you're going to have a lot of little things, but basically the seeds are the little black. They're long and thin. They're very easy to save. You're going to leave them on the paper plate for a week or two. They're very tiny seeds, as you can see. They're very small. So just leave them there for a week or two until they're fully dry. If you're not sure if they're dry, snap them in half. If they crack, if they do a snap, then you know that they're dry. That will kill that seed though, so don't do too many of them. And then just save them either in a paper bag, or if you're confident that they're fully dry, you can put them in a glass jar, but they will mold if there's any moisture. So I like to start off in paper. You can use a regular paper envelope. So those are my light pink cosmos, and then next I will be saving my magenta cosmos.